We were talking about the Nikon One system. Can you tell us when did you start to develop it and how long did it take?
We basically started this project about 5 years ago. We took 2.5 for the basic concept and basic technology elements and so on. And then we took another 2.5 years for the commercializing as well as processor and the new sensor. Everything is start from the scratch. We really wanted to develop whole new system based on the latest digital technology, not from some of the film age technology. And we really wanted to start working with a keyword like simplicity, higher performance, and compactness. So that's why, of course, it took a long time to determine into the 1 inch after we consider larger, smaller size sensor. But everything is the whole new system and based on the great balance between size and performance of the system.
Who do you see as buyers of your new system?
So this system can work very broad target groups, including the real consumer, and I hope some of the professionals find out the value of this system also.
But aren't you afraid that you will cut off some market share from the DSLRs?
That was, frankly speaking, what we needed to study a little bit. But by now we confirmed that the most of the so-called new category DCIL users bought the camera not based on the consideration of DSLR camera. It's more like they just wanted to upgrade from the compact cameras for the better quality and for better quality of still picture as well as movie picture. They have not bought the camera if the DSLR is only the choice. So we believe and confirm that the new category does not give us the negative impact too much.
What about smartphones?
Of course, it is a difficult question how the smartphone gives us the impact. But so far, we only see the positive impact, fortunately. And people use the smartphone cameras, and I use it too. But at the same time, people utilize the real digital camera when they need a little bit more quality and a little bit more speed and so on and so on. So I think in the moment, the both category can coexist.
How different is the European market from the Asian?
The European customers I would say European customers are much more tougher. European customers are looking for more performance seriously, and at the same time, the European customers are a little bit more conservative. So they are really looking for the real benefit of the products.
I cannot go by the earthquake last year. You had some difficulties with your manufacturing plants. Did you make some arrangements to transfer the manufacturing plants to other countries? Did you make anything to prevent this from happening again?
Yeah, that was the sad incident. We lost, I think, 3 Nikon employees in the factory in that area. We have one big factory in the area of earthquake. The good side was the factory was recovered in a very short time. The 3 weeks later, we already started to produce the cameras there. And in fact, we have already 2 major overseas factories in China as well as Thailand, and in fact 90% or more than 90% of our camera was being produced and still is produced in overseas of Japan.